What's good, what is good, my sizers? We are back again with another video, and today I will be showing you guys what a suite inside of the Park MGM casino here on the Strip looks like. So let's get into it. All right, you guys, so when we first walk in, we have this little walkway entry, and then to our right is the mini bar section, and this is the one where you cannot touch because it is weighted, and it tells you that everything is censored here. But I'm noticing that the theme for this hotel is like old-fashioned, like London vibe, I believe, because like, look, those are butterflies. And then you're probably thinking, wow, what is this? Because it's not really a light switch, it's a dimmer. See how it got super dark in here? Although I don't know which one this one is, because, oh, I think this, oh my God, that's the actual button. It's a button, you push. This one, you turn, the bottom one you turn to dim, the top one you push to turn on and off. That is good to know because I just discovered that based off my genuine reaction. Okay, so you go through the walkway, and this is the living room portion of the room. Like I said, it's giving like older day London vibes, I believe. Because you have like that accordion background thing. I forget what these are called, but those are like the accordion folds, wardrobe change things. And then over here by the TV, you have all of these different charging ports available to you, the TV. And then to the right, you have like this cute little like table next to the couch. I actually do like this couch, and it's comfortable. It's not too stiff. A side table and a trash bin in the corner. Let's check out the view. All right, so this is our view from the living room window. And as you can see, we are looking at some retail shops and the Hard Rock Cafe across the street. Of course, you have your Coca-Cola and M&M store. And then right next door is the New York Casino, because we are inside of Park MGM. However, the room that we are in is inside of their Nomad Hotel. So now when you enter the bedroom, you have these double door entrance, very dramatic. You have drapes and a chaise lounge, at least I think that's what those are called. A bed, and then check this out. The bathtub is right there. I don't know about y'all, but I feel super exposed already. However, I do like the framed pictures. It's a cutesy little vibe. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I don't think the view will be very different since all we did was move 2 feet in front of us, but you guys tell me in the comments if the view is any different. And then, oh, across the street you could see a dirt lot. That's where the Tropicana used to be. It's to the left of Oyo, or to the left of that dirt lot is Oyo, and then behind Oyo is the airport. So I don't know if you could see that in the previous view I just showed you 2 seconds ago, but if you didn't see it, now you know. All right, going back to the bedroom, here's what I mean by like, this is very old time. This is their alarm clock. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what time that says. Granted, that's just my generation and me being stupid, but that's gonna take me a really long time to figure out what time that says. So then if we go over here to the right, we have the light and then the dimmer. Like I said, the top one is the push, the bottom one is the dimmer. Your TV here is actually mounted. And then do you guys notice this? This is the freaking dusters. I don't know if they left that for the TV or if they're just like, screw it, clean up your own mess, but I think that's quite funny. I'm pretty sure it's for the TV. This, I'm gonna say, is an espresso machine because it looks very fancy. But I also don't drink coffee, so I'm not sure if this is like an espresso machine or just a regular coffee maker. But you guys let me know down in the comments. Anyways, it's sitting on a dresser. It's got 4 drawers, so that's good to know. Here is a closer look at the tub. I'm gonna be honest, yeah, I still feel really exposed with this like right here, only because it's right next to the bed. I mean, like literally, I won't even be able to lay down and like there'd be room. Like I feel like I could like sit here and then have my legs out and I could touch it. And I'm only 5 foot. So the fact that there's literally like 2, maybe 3 feet in between that is kind of crazy to me. And then if we open up this door, here is your closet. My issue with this closet is, why is the bar to hang up your clothes at like a chest level for me? Again, I'm 5 foot, so like what the heck? My clothes are gonna touch the floor, especially if we have like dresses and stuff. Maybe that's just me, I don't know. But they do provide you with 2 robes, 2 slippers, And then you have like a steamer attachment and then a blow dryer. I've actually never seen a steamer inside of a hotel room. It's usually just an iron. So I think that's really nice because I prefer using steamers. And then you have your luggage rack. And then here is a full-length mirror, which I think is a nice touch. And then if you close this door and go through the very next one, you're greeted by your bathroom. And the cool thing I actually like about this bathroom is when you close this door to the right, here is a vanity setup. So I really like that. Like I said, it's giving like vintage London. And then you have a magnifying mirror that lights up. That's very nice. Here is the shower. There is no like lip here. So here is the shower. There's a bench. There's a bench in the shower, and then check this out. It's a removable shower head. And there's no lip in here, so I kind of wonder like if this is an accessible suite. You know what I'm saying? I could be wrong, but that's the vibes that I'm getting here. Anyways, this is the sink. You have your mirror. And then your toilet section is literally like just all by itself. Between all of the handrails that I'm seeing in here, I'm definitely gonna go with the fact that this is an accessible suite, which is nice to know. And then for your light switches, again, the tops are push buttons to turn on and off the light. The bottoms are dimmers. So just so you're aware. And then the cool thing about this room too, if you open up this door, we are right back to where we started. This is the entryway. Here's the hallway I just showed you at the beginning of this video. And that is the bathroom we just came out of. So it is literally a full circle. How cool is that? All right, you guys, that is all I have for you for this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have ever stayed here. This is my first time staying here, and I actually genuinely like the suite. And be sure to smash that subscribe button down there while you're at it. Toodles!